Okay, let's go walking with the folks. It's a warm day today. I forgot to see how warm it was. But anyway, it's warm. Actually, I got an app on my phone for my weather monitor. Wind's blowing 12 miles per hour.
You have entered the monitoring area.
And it's 64 Fahrenheit, 45% humidity. What are you digging for, girl? Come on, Lucy. Stop that. Come on, stop it. Let's go. I don't know why she loved rubbing in the grass for it. Gotta pull her. Anyway, oh, Lucy. I'm gonna pick you. Not on purpose. Anyway, what this one vet says about how to keep cats out of your garden is tomatoes and onions. She said, I'm with my cat on this one. No one cat's included. Enjoys the eye-watering effects of onions. As for tomatoes, your cat might be sniffing out the fact that tomato plants and their unripe fruit are toxic to furry friends. And with my troll camera, good boy Barkley, with my troll camera catching cats out here at night, walking along the trees, I don't think none of this stuff is actually working. Haven't done peppermint yet. I've been busy on my videos. And plus I got a daytime, part-time job working from 3 to 5 hours a day. So I've been busy. Shelly filled up that bird feeder this morning. I was going to do a video on it, but I have to wait now. But that's right, she tries to help out though. Ooh, are those buds on this tree here? Yeah, they are buds. Forgot what tree this is. Apple tree maybe? I think so. I don't know. The plum tree got buds on it. The apricot tree got buds on it. Oh, this other tree too, the peach tree's budding too. Hold on, dogs, come here. Peach tree there. Their dog's following me. Come on, let's go. Come on, Barkley. Walk this way. How much wind? It's wind tunnel right now. He's watching. She's seeing the dogs are out. Oh, they're marking up the sky up there. Look at that. Already marked it up. Let's go. I need to do the front bird feeder here. I can do a video on that. Okay, you can see how he sees it growing up here. Oh man. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Stop barking at people. Let's go in the house. Come on. I'm going to come in without you. Barkley, don't walk behind me. I told you that. Oh, man. Thank the folks for walking with you. Say thank you. Say thank you for walking with us.